If you're familiar with the neighboring cities of Flowery Branch and Brazelton, you already know they boast small town spirit with big city mindsets. For instance, Flowery Branch is home to the Atlanta Falcons training facility. In addition, several marinas on nearby Lake Lanier offer countless adventures out on the water. As for Brazelton, it's home to the world-class Chateau Elan Winery and Resort. In addition, the town's charming and historic downtown lays claim to incredible restaurants and fantastic community events, such as the renowned Artisan Festival, seasonal farmers market, and more. While there's no shortage of adventure around this area, the exciting master plan community of Sterling on the Lake ups the ante with their own fun. There's kayaking around the 45-acre community lake, a network of lakeside walking trails, several swimming pools, an inviting lakeside clubhouse with a full-time activity director, and more. Tucked inside this sprawling community in the rolling foothills of the North Georgia Mountains is an active adult oasis, aptly named The Retreat at Sterling on the Lake. Residents of the retreat have access to all of Sterling's amenities, as well as resort-quality amenities exclusive to this 55-plus gated section of the community. David Weekley Homes invites active adult homebuyers to come and explore the retreat's two elegantly designed model homes. Right now, I am standing outside of this beautiful model home. It's called Meadow Hill. Now, it's 1 story, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. At center stage is the open concept that unites the kitchen, family, and dining rooms, making it ideal for the couple who loves to entertain. Of course, the real star of the show is the owner's retreat, which showcases a large bedroom with supreme views of the backyard, spa experience primary bath with 0 entry shower, and roomy walk-in closet. The Meadow Hill is one of the 14 available floor plans at the retreat at Sterling on the Lake. To learn more about Sterling on the Lake, their floor plans, and available ready-to-move-in homes, visit their website at davidweekleyhomes.com.